Hey, what's up guys, my name's St. J, we're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So today I am calling out all transgender people, mostly trans male, actually any transgender people in... I'm calling out every transgender person. I guess I'm a trans guy, and my whole content is usually about like trans male, but this can work for any trans person. I want to know if you guys want to send me some videos of you. I've already gotten 2 videos from my subscribers, and I think it's so cool if I can get like at least 5 or more videos of us as a community, and I can put it together, and it's like telling you who we are. Like, I'll give you like a little example of what I want to do. I want to do like me. So first it's me. Hi, my name's Clayton J. I am 22 years old. I came out in, I came out in like when I was 14, like 15, 16, in high school. My parents didn't support me, and, then just talk about everything like that, I feel like that would be so cool if if I could get like 5 or 6 people that can send me. I've literally already had 2, and you can send me, even if you're a part of the ally, or, I mean, it doesn't even have to just be trans people. It could be LGBT people, or I could make one with just trans people, then I can make one with the whole community. I feel like that'd be so cool, because like I know you guys are just my subscribers, but how cool would it be if you could send your video into me? I can make one whole video with putting all of our clips together, and it's just like, this is who we are. Like, we're all trans, we all have one thing in common, but at the end of the day, we are all different. Like, you could tell me how you came out. We all came out in different ways. Like, I came out in a letter. How did you come out? How cool would that be if you could all say our different things? Maybe put a little story in there, do whatever you want. It's all yours. It's a customized video from you coming out. And how cool would that be? I mean, if you're interested, hit me up, tell me, because that would be really cool. I've already got 2 videos already, but if we could get like 5 or more, then we can make a whole video, and I feel like that'd be the coolest thing ever. I don't know if anyone else has ever done that, but like, think about it, that we're getting, like, you guys are actually gonna be in a video, and I feel like that's the coolest thing ever. But comment down below what you think, and you can always send it to me on my, go look in the description below. I have all my social media, like my Instagram. I've got some people send it to my Instagram. I got a person that send it into a TikTok, or anything like that if you want to send it there. All my stuff is in the description below. I feel like that'd be the coolest thing ever. So comment down below if you're willing to do it, and if you want to send it to me. Instagram, TikTok, anything like that in the DMs, but tell me that, because I feel like that'd be the coolest thing ever. You can literally make it how you want it. It's just like a coming out thing, and telling us a little bit about yourself and what you identify as and things like that. So yeah, love you guys. Comment down below if you think you're interested. Bye.